In this video, you'll learn how to embed HTML code into your Webflow website. If you're new to Webflow or just looking to enhance your site with custom HTML elements, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate HTML code into your projects, adding that extra level of customization you've been looking for. First things first, you'll want to head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, log into your account to get started. Once you're on the homepage, look for the All Sites option. This will take you to a list of all the websites you've been working on or have created within Webflow. This is where you'll choose the site you'd like to edit. With your list of sites in front of you, find the specific website you want to embed HTML into and select it. This will open up the project dashboard for that particular site. From here, you will have access to various editing tools and options to help you build and customize your site. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen for the Add Element option. Clicking on this will open a panel containing all the elements you can add to your site, such as text blocks, images, and more. For our task today, we're focusing on embedding custom code, so let's move on to the next step. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type in Code Embed. This will filter the elements to show you the option that allows you to embed custom HTML code into your site. However, before you drag and drop this element onto your page, there's a crucial piece of information to keep in mind. In this case, you might notice that you're unable to drag the code embed element into your page. This is because Webflow requires you to be on a paid plan to use the custom code embedding feature. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade to access this functionality. Upgrading unlocks various features that can enhance your website's customization options, including the ability to integrate your own HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code directly into your projects. Once you've upgraded, you'll be able to drag the code embed element onto your page. Simply place it wherever you want the custom HTML to appear. Then a new window will pop up where you can paste your HTML code. After you've added your code, click Save and Close to embed it into your site. This allows you to preview how the custom code integrates with your existing content. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded HTML code into your Webflow website. Remember, using custom HTML opens up a world of possibilities for your site, allowing you to add unique features and functionality that aren't available with standard elements. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Webflow support and community forums are great resources to explore. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more confident about embedding HTML into your Webflow projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on enhancing your website design skills. Thanks for watching and happy designing.